Hello everybody, hello my crafty friends, welcome to my channel. Today is the 5th of December and I'm going to open my Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box again, and we're gonna look at packet with number 5 on it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Oh, I found it very quickly. Nice. That looks very nice. Looks like you can use it for a Christmas time decoration, like a little castle house. Looks like a train station, Hamilton Station. All aboard the Quilty Express. So what could this be? Something big. Let's have a look. I can't think what it can be. Can we get? No. No. Oh. This tells me it might be something breakable. Come on. It's a mug. Wow. Sewing Mends the Soul. Has a Missouri star. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Missouri Star Quilt Company. Nice. Very nice. So I have a cup. Yesterday I had a pattern with cat and dog for the mug cup coaster, and the day before we had fabric to make those rugs for the cup. Nice, very nice. Oh, my coffees and teas would be really tasty. Thank you, Jenny. Okay. Well, I will see you again tomorrow when we open next box or packet. Bye.